Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you my honest review about Flaxxa Studio AI. This AI design software that's everyone talking about. Now, I know there are tons of tools out there like Canva, Photoshop or Midjourney. So the real question is, do you actually need this one? Stick with me because I'm going to break down what it does, it's good or bad for you and whether it's worth your money. What is Flaxxa Studio? Flaxxa Studio is an all-in-one design platform powered by AI. Basically, it's built to help the people who need graphics on a regular basis, things like social media posts, YouTube tumblers, and product mockups for Amazon or Etsy, and logos, and even children's storybooks too. The cool part is instead of juggling five different apps, it tries to give you everything in one place. Imagine that. Canva is easy to use, Photoshop editing powered, and Midjourney creativity, but all in one platform. Now, let me show you a few things that really stood out when I tested. One, image creator. You just type what you want and make the picture for you. Some come out great right away, others you might want to adjust a bit, but overall it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Two, editing tools. It has option to remove or change background, fix parts of an image and make pictures look sharper. Super helpful if you don't want to around with complicated software. 3. Mockups. If you sell stuff online, you'll love this. You can put your design on t-shirts, mugs, books, pretty much anything, and see exactly how it looks before you post or sell it. 4. Brand kits. You can save your logo, color, and fonts so every design matches your brand style automatically. 5. Storybooks Builder. The one fun. You can make picture books with characters that stay the same in every page. It's perfect for teachers, authors, or even parents making custom books for kids. But let's keep it real. It's not a perfect. The basic $37 version it's a bit limited. A lot of the advanced features are locked behind upgrade. And like most AI tools, sometimes the image look a little off. You'll need to retry or adjust your prompts. And if you're totally new to AI, there's a small learning curve, not huge, but it's there. So pricing was it started $37 one time, which is refreshing since most tools charge monthly. But let's me be honest, if you are serious about using this for a business, you'll probably end and app waiting at least one upgrade. Things like limited image generator or advanced editing are only in the higher plans. Still, even which upgrades, it's why sharper than paying for multiple subscription. So, who should actually buy Flaxxa Studio? If you are content creator making video posts or Tumblr daily, this AI tool save you ton of time. 2. If you are e-commerce or brand on demand, the mockups alone are worth it. 3. If you are freelancer or agency, this could help you deliver more for your clients without hiring extra designer. 4. If you're author or teachers or parents, the storybooks tool are pretty fun. But if you are just curious who makes one or two design per month, honestly, you might not need it. Canva free version might be enough. So, there my honest verification. Is Flaxxa Studio AI worth it? If you are creator, business owner, or anyone who need graphics regularly, yes, it's smart investment. It saves you time, gives you more flexibility, and that commercial license means you can sell anything you created. But if you are only need simple design, not probably not worth it for you. For me, it's a solid tools,